Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Over the Table's Random Reviews. I know it's been a while since I've been here. I've been working a lot. I got a new job. I apologize to you guys for that. We have plenty of stuff to review, so remember to hit that subscribe button, click the bell icon so you don't miss out on that good stuff. Now today we've got a very interesting product. I came back with a vengeance for really odd products. What we've got is basically a clam oyster, an oyster with pearls in it. I bought it for like $1 on eBay. I'll pop a link in the description if you want to get your own. It seems pretty insane, so let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm sure you remember this mini meat cleaver knife that I reviewed. We're going to be using it to open the package. It's actually a very sharp knife. Alright, let's take it out. It's weird, guys. It's weird. Interesting. So it comes in a plastic wrapper, I guess you could say. And it really is a clam. So, let's take it out. This is really weird, guys. I hope it doesn't smell bad. Don't smell it. That was not fun. It's got a moisture to it, and it's kind of falling apart. How do you get it open? I have no idea. Oh. Ooh, okay. Oh god. Oh god. It's really gross looking. I should be wearing gloves. But I will tell you, I don't know why I'm reviewing this. I will tell you that in there is a little baby pearl. Yeah, here it is. It's not perfectly round, but you could hear it's pretty solid. It looks cool. I don't know how real it is, guys. I mean, come on. I swear it was literally like $1 or $2. You can get ones with different colors and stuff, so go ahead and make sure you check out which ones you really want. It's kind of a neat little thing because you get to open it up and find yourself a little pearl. It's kind of gross though, I'm not gonna lie. I've had this on storage for too long, for a couple months at least. So we're gonna set that over there. It definitely seems like it is a real oyster shell and what used to be an oyster inside of it. But here's the pearl. It's a really interesting looking thing. It's kind of neat. It's a kind of neat little thing. You know, you get it for a child. They won't be as grossed out by it. And show them the little pearl in there. And then they have, you know, an experience of finding a pearl in an oyster. Kind of a neat little thing. Really weird, really kind of gross, but I'm just a baby, so I know it's an odd product today. I don't even know if you want to call it a product. It's a living thing with a product inside of it. Aren't we all living things with products inside? Never mind, we're not even going to cross that line. Anyway, it's pretty neat. I mean, it was $1 or $2. If you just want the experience of finding a pearl, this is the way to go. I mean, really cheap, really easy to do. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you were as grossed out by it as I was, then definitely give it a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think about this, because I know it's really weird and it's not my usual review, so let me know, because it's weird. I gotta quit stumbling. Oh, I touched my face. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button right down here for some more over the table goodness. If you want to check out the last video, it's up there. And if you want to check out the playlist, It's up there. Lots more interesting things that are less living up in that playlist. Have a great day, everybody, and as always, don't get shot.